Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to have revision for part 4 of the same lesson number 4, that is directions and maps. Okay. After this we are going to end the lesson. Now I hope all these 4 parts will help you a lot to prepare for the exam. Yes. Shall we start then? Yes. Yeah, we are going to revise these new words. These are the states from our country. Okay, Rajasthan, Rajasthan, Rajasthan. Punjab, Punjab. Haryana, Haryana. Himachal, Himachal, and Pradesh, Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Once again we'll revise this. Himachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Very good. Jammu Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. Good. JAMMU and KASHMIR, Jammu and Kashmir. Good. Arunachal Pradesh, ARUNACHAL, Arunachal, PRADESH, Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. Very good. ARUNACHAL, PRADESH, Arunachal Pradesh. Good. Uttarakhand, UTTARAKHAND, Uttarakhand. Good. BIHAR, Bihar. JHARKHAND, Jharkhand. Okay. Uttar Pradesh, UTTARPRADESH, Uttar Pradesh. Yes. UTTARPRADESH, Uttar Pradesh. Yeah, two words spellings we will revise twice. Okay. Uttar Pradesh, understood, children? Yes. West Bengal, WESTBENGAL, West Bengal. Yes. WESTBENGAL, West Bengal. Very good. Nagaland, NAGALAND, Nagaland. Okay, very good. KERALA, Kerala. Andhra Pradesh, ANDHRAPRADESH, Andhra Pradesh. ANDHRAPRADESH, Andhra Pradesh. Tamil Nadu, TAMILNADU, Tamil Nadu. TAMILNADU, Tamil Nadu. Good. Sikkim, SIKKIM, Sikkim. SIKKIM, Sikkim. Assam, ASSAM, Assam. ASSAM, Assam. Meghalaya, Meghalaya. Good. Tripura, Tripura, Tripura. Tripura, Tripura. Manipur, Manipur. Manipur, Manipur. Mizoram, Mizoram, Mizoram. Mizoram, Mizoram. Goa, Goa, Goa. Smallest spelling, no? Goa, Goa. Yes. Andaman and Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar. Good. Andaman and Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar. Very good. Islands, Islands, islands. Islands, islands. Lakshadweep, Lakshadweep, Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep, Lakshadweep. Okay, children? Yes. Now, I want you all to learn by heart these spellings. Okay? Yeah, this will help you a lot to avoid spelling mistakes. Yes? Now, just tell me true or false. Yeah, India is located in the continent of Asia. Is it true or false? Yes, our country is located in the continent of Asia. That means that is true. Very good. Okay, this statement is true. Maharashtra is located to the east of India. Maharashtra is located to the east of India. Is it to the east or tell me? It is to the west. So this statement is false. Okay. Maharashtra is located to the west of India, children. Understood? So this statement is false. Okay. Yeah. Now cross out the wrong alternatives. Okay. The answer which is wrong, you are supposed to cross out. Okay. Goa is to the south or north of Maharashtra, children. Goa is at the bottom, right? Yes. So Goa is to the south or north of Maharashtra. Goa is to the south. That means which is the wrong alternative? North. Okay. So this we are going to cross out. Understood? That means Goa is to the south of Maharashtra. This is the correct statement now. Clear, children? How to solve this? Yes? Now just repeat after me. Goa is to the south of Maharashtra. Where it is? Goa is located to the south of Maharashtra because it is bottom, at the bottom. Yes? That and bottom side is always south. Clear? Yes. Upper side is north. Right side is east. And left side is west. Okay? Remember like this. So it will be easy. Clear? Yes. Now Madhya Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh is to the north of Maharashtra. Now we have already learned this. Now just tell me Madhya Pradesh is located upper side or bottom? Upper side, correct? So upper is which side direction now? North. Yes? So now what is the wrong alternative? Andhra Pradesh. Okay? So what will be the statement? Madhya Pradesh is to the north of Maharashtra. Yes? So we are supposed to cross out Andhra Pradesh. Clear, children? So the statement will be Madhya Pradesh is to the north of Maharashtra. Clear, children? Just repeat after me. Madhya Pradesh is to the north of Maharashtra. Good. Now, just tell me, blue or red color is used to show water in maps? Yes, that is blue color. So, red is the wrong alternative. Okay, repeat. Blue color is used to show water in maps. Yes, we have seen Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and all, which is shown with blue color. Yes or no? Very good. Now, just repeat after me. Blue color is used to show water in maps. Good. Jammu and Kashmir or Kerala is located in the northern part of India. Now you know where is Kerala. Kerala is located to the south. That means at the bottom. Okay. And where is Jammu and Kashmir? At the upper side. That means the northern part. Okay. So, which is the wrong alternative? Kerala. Okay. Yes. See. So, the statement will be Jammu and Kashmir is located in the northern part of India. That is at the upper side. Clear? Come on, repeat after me. Jammu and Kashmir is located in the northern part of India. Very good. Now, children, see, this is the map of India. Now, show the capital of India. Can you just tell me where is the capital of India? Now, I hope you all know what is the capital of India. Yes, that's correct. New Delhi. Okay. Can you see? Which is shown with the black dot which is encircled. Yes? Okay. Now we are going to show this. Yes. Okay. Yes. Next. Show the state Maharashtra. Can you locate our state Maharashtra? Where it is? See, I'll zoom it. See. You can see it clearly now. Maharashtra. Yes? Now we are going to show. Okay? Yes. Very good. Show the states adjoining Maharashtra. See, children, this question we have already learned. Okay, see Maharashtra. Which are the states adjoining to Maharashtra, to our state? Yes, see, Gujarat is there, Madhya Pradesh is there, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka and Goa. Okay, now can you see Goa at the bottom of Maharashtra? Yes or no? Okay? Yes. Now see Chhattisgarh, that is to the east side, at the east. Okay? Then upper side Madhya Pradesh. Can you see? Yes. And Gujarat is to the west. Clear? Yes. Now we are going to mark Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka and Goa. These are the states adjoining to Maharashtra. Clear, children? Very good. To which directions of India are Maharashtra and Gujarat located? Just tell me, to which directions of India are Maharashtra and Gujarat located? See this side, and which is this? Left side is, see that side, this is the right side. This is the left side, and left side is which direction? West. Okay, very good. So these two states are located to the west side. Clear? Good. To which directions of India are Kerala and Tamil Nadu located? See, I repeat. To which directions of India are Kerala and Tamil Nadu located? See. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Where are these two states? Can you see? See Tamil Nadu. See at the bottom. And that is which direction? Kerala. Yes, and Tamil Nadu just beside that. Okay, did you get that? Yes. So that is which direction? South. Very good. So these both the states are located to the south. Yes. See. Clear, children? Very good. Now, which state is to the east of Maharashtra? And this is all I have already told you. Okay. Which state is to the east of Maharashtra? See, I will zoom for you. Yes, right side is always east. So just tell me now. Can you see clearly? Yes, that's the correct answer. Chhattisgarh. Okay. That is Chhattisgarh. Yes. Good. Now show the Indian islands. Can you tell me the names of our Indian islands? Hmm? Yes. Very good. That is Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Island. Yes. See, very good. Six. Andaman and Nicobar, and this is Lakshadweep. Okay. See this once again, right corner. This is Andaman and Nicobar, and this is at the left corner. This is Lakshadweep Islands. These both the islands are Indian islands, children. Okay. We are going to show now Lakshadweep, and this is Andaman and Nicobar. Okay. Now, show the 7 continents in the map. Yes. See. Now, can you see? Whole world map. This is our world. Yes. Now, just tell me. See, Asia. Can you read? Asia is there. Africa is there. Antarctica is there. Australia is there. Europe is there. South America is there, this side, and North America. Okay. Now, the portion which is shown with the white color, that are our continents. Okay. That are the continents, and the portion which is shown with the blue color, that we have already learned. No? Cross out the wrong alternatives. That is the water. That means ocean. Yes? Clear now? See, once again I repeat. The portion which is shown with the watercolor, okay, that are called as continents. Clear? This Asia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North America and South America. These are all continents which are shown with the white color, and oceans are shown with blue color. That because there is water, and that these continents are land. Na? Understood? Clear, children? Water is shown with the blue color, and continents are, that means the land is shown with the white color. Clear? Yes. Now just we are going to show the 7 continents. Asia. See now, our continent is Asia. Okay. And Asia is the biggest continent in the world. See, you can see Asia is the biggest portion, you can see. No, biggest of all the 7 continents. Clear? Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Yes, children? I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes. Second is Africa, Antarctica and Australia. Now see, first 4 are starting with or beginning with the letter A. Okay? Which is very easy to learn. Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia. Clear, children? Yes. And see once again. See Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia. Yes. Now the next one. Europe, and the remaining two are America, that is South America and North America. This way, try to remember, so it will help you, okay, to remember properly. South America and North America. Clear, children? There are 7 continents in the world: Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia. All these first 4 continents, means why I am telling you this way, because all these 4 continents are beginning with the letter A. That is why you also remember this way only. Okay, try to learn by heart this way: Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia. A. Okay, and then Europe, fifth one, and then the remaining both South America and North America. Clear? And learn the spellings properly. Okay, children. Next. Now show the 4 oceans in the map. You all know there are 4 oceans. Can you see this? See. Indian Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. Here is Pacific Ocean. And here at the center, this Arctic Ocean. Okay? Arctic Ocean. Okay, first one, this is Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, the letters also written with blue, no, because water. Yes, now we are going to mark Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Clear, children? Yes. Now next, show India in the map. Can you locate our country, children, in this world map? Yes. See, I'll zoom it for you. Our India is, see, in the center. Can you locate India? It's written with the black color. Yes, see India. No? Yeah, this is our country. Show India in the map. So now we are going to show it with an arrow. Okay, children, I hope this is clear. I have tried my level best to cover each and every point, concept, okay, all kind of questions in all the 4 parts of the revision. Yes, so I don't think so hereafter you will have any doubt in this. Okay, clear, children? So I want you all to revise thoroughly and get prepared for the exam. Okay, yeah. Now in the next class we are going to revise lesson number 5. Okay, till then, bye. Sai Ram.